This batch shows signs of rot near the base.
And the moisture content on this stack is too high.
Noted. I'll update section gamma to hold.
Increasing the temperature setting now. Watch the gauge.
Reading confirmed. It is holding steady.
The alignment looks spot on at this speed.
Yes, the flow rate is consistent across the last 500 units.
Look at this edge right here. The lamination is perfect. See how clean the cross section is?
Yes, very consistent. This batch meets the grade.
Make sure the tension on this bolt is logged.
Already done. Cross-referenced with the schematics.
Looks like we are good to go. The final report is ready.
Precision sensors monitor moisture content, ensuring every sheet meets strict quality standards.
Skilled workers ensure that every sheet is evenly coated, combining technology with human oversight.
Robotic rollers coat each veneer sheet with adhesive, creating a strong bond for future layers. Layers are meticulously arranged in a cross-grain pattern, enhancing durability and stability of the plywood. After pressing, the plywood sheets emerge flawless, ready for trimming and finishing.
Edge cutting machines remove excess wood, leaving perfectly straight and clean plywood edges.
Finally, sanding machines polish the surfaces, preparing the sheets for quality inspection and assembly.
Skilled inspectors examine each plywood sheet to maintain the highest standards of quality.
Each sheet is digitally graded and stamped for consistent quality assurance.
The prepared sheets are carefully transported to the assembly line for furniture production. Human expertise ensures each screw and joint is perfectly secured. Robotic arms join each component seamlessly, combining technology with craftsmanship. Tables are carefully placed in the showroom, ready to showcase their quality and craftsmanship. Polishing machines give the final shine, enhancing the natural beauty of the wood. Every table undergoes a final inspection to guarantee perfection before delivery.
Forklifts efficiently load packaged tables onto trucks, ready for delivery worldwide.
Tables are wrapped with care to ensure safe transport to customers. Across the factory floor, multiple machines operate in harmony, transforming raw timber into refined plywood.
Skilled technicians ensure each machine operates at peak efficiency.
Veneer sheets are carefully peeled and transported for drying and glue application. The drying process removes moisture, preparing sheets for strong adhesion. Logs are precisely cut into manageable sections, ready for veneer peeling.
Moisture sensors ensure every sheet meets strict quality standards.
Even coating of adhesive guarantees strong bonding between layers.
Human supervision complements automation, ensuring perfect results.
Cross-grain stacking strengthens plywood, enhancing durability and stability. The cold press binds the layers firmly, creating a uniform base. The hot press fuses layers together, producing high-strength plywood sheets. Sheets emerge flawless, ready for trimming and sanding. Edge cutting ensures perfectly straight and clean plywood edges. Sanding machines polish the surfaces, preparing them for assembly.
Every sheet undergoes strict inspection for quality and consistency.
CNC machines cut each part with extreme accuracy according to blueprint.
Sheets are digitally graded and stamped for precise tracking. Sheets move seamlessly to the assembly line for furniture production. Robots join each part seamlessly, merging technology with craftsmanship. Final polishing enhances the natural beauty and durability of the tables. Tables are transported to the showroom, ready for display.
Every table undergoes final inspection to ensure perfection.
Finished products depart the factory, traveling to customers worldwide.
The factory operates continuously, combining technology and human skill.
Each log is carefully positioned to ensure precise cutting. New logs enter the production line, ready for transformation. Each log is carefully positioned to ensure precise cutting. Veneer sheets are transported seamlessly to the hot press for fusion. The hot press ensures every layer bonds perfectly under precise heat and pressure. Sheets emerge flawless and uniform, ready for trimming and finishing. Edges are trimmed perfectly, giving sheets straight, clean borders.
Every sheet is inspected meticulously to ensure top quality standards.
Grading and stamping are digitally tracked for consistency. Grading and stamping are digitally tracked for consistency. CNC machines cut each sheet with extreme precision according to design specifications. Robots assemble each component seamlessly, blending technology and craftsmanship. Human oversight ensures all joints are secure and precise. Final polishing brings out the natural beauty of the wood.
Tables are placed in the showroom, ready to showcase their quality.
Final inspection ensures perfection before delivery to customers.
Forklifts efficiently load tables onto trucks for shipment worldwide.
Finished products depart the factory, ready to reach customers globally. Regular maintenance ensures machines operate smoothly and efficiently.
The factory runs continuously, combining advanced technology and skilled labor. Precise alignment ensures accurate cutting and processing. Veneer sheets are extracted carefully for drying and assembly. Automation ensures efficiency and accuracy in cutting raw logs.
Sheets are prepared for controlled drying to remove moisture.
Sensors ensure moisture content meets strict production standards. Controlled heat removes moisture, stabilizing the sheets for next stages. Cross-grain stacking maximizes strength and durability of plywood. Distribution begins at the loading docks. From raw logs to finished furniture. The journey to customers begins. This is how plywood becomes furniture. Huco, engineered for life. This is how plywood becomes furniture. Barfi, engineered for life. A complete cycle of precision, technology, and craftsmanship.